Hey guys, here we're going to be playing Bubble Trouble with my cousin Laman Freak. No, I wouldn't say cousin, my uncle. More. Hello Steve, Minecraft person. Hello. Minecraft dolphin. Imagine if Steve was a Minecraft dolphin. Oh wait. You might want to check your mini-map to help you. Allie. Oh watch. You need to swirl. You go to actions. There we go. Here. Do it in this one right here. There you go. Uh-oh. No, you need to keep on swirling quick. Yay! Like, it grew so big instantly. Okay, here, let's swirl. Yeah. Yeah, oh, whoa! It grew so big. Check for phantoms in the chomper clams.
Oh! That's awesome!
Here, there's one up here. Let's... Here, I'll get this phantom. What? What?
It killed it, trying to eat it. Oh, bruh.
Man.
It got killed trying to eat it.
I know. That's unfair.
Where's the pal? Where's the pal? Oh,
Gosh, we need to drop. We have to destroy. We have to kill all 4 of the phantoms to get the valve.
What?
I know, it's so unfair. I know. Yeah, let's restart the adventure. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Hope that does not happen again. Okay, it's chasing after me now. Sorry, I won't let it. Okay, good. Don't worry, we fixed the problem. And after we get this phantom, we'll get the valve. Oh, what? I'll try the dolphin. Yeah, the dolphin's gonna give us the valve. Nice. Another person has picked up this item. No. Okay, let's go here. Here, come over here. It's over here. Right here. Start swirling. Swirling. We're swirling. We're swirling. Oh, whoops. You weren't swirling on it, though. Oh, whoa. I suppose you're free to track animals. Here, I'll get rid of these phantoms. They're like currents that take you. So, like this one. Ooh. The blue tubes.
Oh, here.
Whoa, look! Dolphin passage! I found dolphin passage.
Wait.
Come right here. Come where I am. Come where I am. Come where I am.
Where are you?
No.
Are you down there?
You have to follow the current. Here. Down here. And it's right by this kelp. The dolphin passage. I'll open it. Huh? Yes! Whoa. What do I get?
What is it?
I got goggles. I got goggles. I got goggles. Yeah, wait. Oh, we got those kind of goggles. Goggles are cool. They look pretty cool. Okay, let's go.
Go back up and fire.
Okay,
Come over here.
I'm gonna go a different way.
Come over here.
Got Phantom.
Come over here.
We're at... Oh yeah, I found the Phantom valve.
Oh,
I found the valve.
I found a secret place. 150 gems.
Nice. In hard mode, they give you double. They give you twice the gems. Twice the amount of gems. I'm sorry, I'm not crazy.
Those videos aren't hard. I would have got
Whoa! The art for all the Phantom goop, it looks so cool. Okay, I have a key.
Wow, I went back all the way up. I went back all the way up.
Get a sandwich, bruh. Wait, get a sandwich, bruh. Whoa! This is confusing. Okay, if I go down here. Oh, this is where I need to put the valve there. Oh man.
Whoa!
The key's over there. Dang it, I can't grab the key. This is a lot of currents. Okay,
I know.
the current party. Oh god.
Currently, I went to a third party.
Heh. There's actually a party in Emo Jam called the Atlantis Party. I don't think it's on anymore. Sorry about that. We had an interruption. So, oh, yes, he's interrupting.
Well, I found the last key.
Nice. Okay, here. This way. This way. This way. Okay, swirl with the dolphins to open the Phantom hatch. So meet the swirl. Swirl. That was him. Escape the deep. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I see Phantom coral.
Hey, look.
Oh.
Look, watch. Whoa. Gems.
Oh.
We're rich. Yay.
Oh.
Treasure chest. Treasure gems.
200 gems.
Yay. Need more gems. We're rich. Oh, that was awesome. I'm so glad you returned. Okay, let's see. I'm picking the top middle. Top middle. 1,000 gems.
I got another Phantom coral.
Nice.
I got 4 Phantom coral.
Nice. We should try Bubble Trouble on hard mode. But if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. Send me more gifts for more mail time. And congrats to Levine Freak for joining me for this adventure. And it's really cool, and I know that I don't know why any of the other underwater adventures are not open. But I think that they should be open. All adventures should be open for non-members. I mean, so see, all those non-members, they just get higher levels, but it doesn't go into anything. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later, and peace out.
Wait, where are you?
I went to Serbia Forest. I don't know, it just took me there. So peace out, and bye-bye.